Hi YouTube, this is part 11 on how to make a DreamBoard theme. And last time where we left off, we worked on basic animations where we have a button and it can mess with wallpapers, it can change the position, it can change the size. Today I'm going to be teaching you more animation, and it's going to be a if and then animation, so meaning if I do one certain thing, some sort of animation will happen. And I'm going to be teaching you how to do page turns, or you can do practically anything. So what I mean is, if I flip the page to the left, I want the dock to move down a certain amount of pixels so it can hide. And if I move back to the second page, it'll come back up. So let's see how we can do this. So open the by file, go into our current main view, and before I made this video, I like to tell you guys I put all my icons like Finder, Safari, Trash into a subview just to make it easier, and I named it Dock. So this is our scroll view, our 3-page scroll view, 960 pixels, and our ID is dashboard. So in our scroll view, we need to make an actions array. Inside of those, we make 2 blank dictionaries. And to start off, we need to make if array and then array. So in the if array, we're going to make a string, and that says get views, our ID, so dashboard, content, offset, in the X direction, when it's equal to 0 pixels. So I'm saying when dashboard touches 0 pixels, something in the if array will happen. But before I start with that, I want to teach you guys some basic terminology that you guys need to know. So on the left it says dashboard equal to 0, so that means it's just equal to. If it says, sometimes you might run around to seeing GT, that means greater than. Maybe you might see GT or equal to, so greater than or equal to. Maybe less than, or sometimes you might even see less than or equal to. Something you guys might need to know in the further future if you just got to see this in other themes. So let's delete this. And return to our, so this is our if. Let's go back to our then now. So when dashboard touches 0, I want to view dock in the Y direction, and I want to move it down 100 pixels. And I'm going to do half a second of animation. So this is what happens when you scroll to the left. Now, I need to make another dictionary, which you guys should have already done, when it's not at 0. So let's just repeat our if and then arrays. So if get view dashboard dot content offset X is greater than or equal to 320. If I scroll to the second page or third page, it'll be still up. Then view docs, or just doc, view doc Y, and I'm going to just return it to 0 pixels, animated in 0.5. Don't forget the colon. 0.5. So let's take a look. Exit out. So here's our second page. If you scroll to our first page, our dot goes down. Scroll back, comes up. If I go to the third page, it still remains up because it's still greater than 320 pixels. And that's just practically about it of if and then animation. And before I leave you guys with this video, I have 2 quick announcements to make. So this is my Mac theme, and we do have a winner, I guess. this is our winner. His name is Joe. He made this awesome magazine that's close enough to my duplications. He got the launchpad working. First Finder, he used his own apps. You can replace any apps in there, I guess. I just accidentally click Safari. Calendar widget works. Wallpaper works fine. And the wallpaper is scrolling. And that's just pretty much on Steam. And not only that, but his Steam's going on sale, so better look out for that pretty much soon. And I'm going to tell you guys more information once I get it. And the last piece of information is I do have my own repository in Cydia now, and all I have on Cydia are just basic codes and snippets like this weather widget here. I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen, and that'll be for free up on Cydia in the repository. And I'll put the URL down below so you guys can get it. And that's just it for this.